Welcome back to the Herbal Keys. With Christmas just a few short days away, your favorite holiday host is likely balancing a dozen different tasks all at once. Today, we're coming to the rescue by sharing 4 brilliant last-minute herbal hacks and gifts designed to make you the thoughtful guest or simply help simplify your own holiday hosting duties this year. These ideas are incredibly quick to assemble using a mix of both fresh and dried herbs. We are focusing on simple, elegant, aromatic ways to elevate any Christmas gathering. From an instant mood setter to clever culinary upgrades and a soothing post-meal treat, these ideas provide an immediate impact for any home. These gifts aren't just beautiful to look at, they solve real, practical problems for a busy host during the holiday rush. Before we dig into these 4 speedy solutions together, if you love natural living and practical herbal tips, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Or share with your bestie. Let's work together to make this Christmas effortless, aromatic, and deeply thoughtful for everyone on your list. First, let's create instant holiday ambience with the ultimate host hack, the Holiday Cheer Simmer Pot Mix. Nothing welcomes guests quite like a house filled with festive natural aromas. This gift is a pre-portioned bag of pure holiday magic that requires almost no effort. The host simply adds the mixture to water and lets it simmer on the stove. Because it uses dried ingredients, you can assemble these in just a few minutes and they will stay fresh until the big day. It is truly the perfect low-stress gift for any home this season. To assemble your simmer pot mix, simply combine a few sturdy cinnamon sticks, a tablespoon of whole cloves, several star anise pods, and a generous handful of dried rosemary sprigs in a clear cellophane gift bag. Secure the top with a festive ribbon and attach a small tag that reads, "Add to a pot of water and simmer gently for instant holiday aroma." This thoughtful gift smells absolutely incredible and brings an immediate sense of warmth to the home. It is a wonderful way to help your host set a cozy mood without adding any extra work to their schedule. Next, let's look at how to elevate your holiday drinks with a fresh herb simple syrup. This versatile hack is perfect for upgrading cocktails, mocktails, or even just a simple glass of sparkling water. We are using fresh herbs for a bright, vibrant flavor that store-bought syrups simply cannot match. Imagine a rosemary gin fizz or a refreshing peppermint spritzer for your guests. This syrup takes only 15 minutes of active time and adds an instant gourmet touch to any drink menu. It is a practical gift that truly keeps the holiday celebration going all evening. To make your syrup, simmer equal parts water and sugar until the sugar is fully dissolved. Remove the pan from the heat, add your fresh rosemary, mint, or even sliced ginger, and let it steep for 30 minutes as it cools. Strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve and pour it into an elegant glass bottle. Present this gift with a tag suggesting a few easy drink ideas for the party. Your host will love this sophisticated addition to their bar cart, and it's a great way to use up those extra fresh herbs in your fridge. After a heavy holiday feast, everyone appreciates a little bit of digestive comfort. This herbal tea kit is a thoughtful, nurturing gift that offers a much-needed moment of calm once the big meal is over. We are combining soothing dried peppermint and warming dried ginger root, both of which are famous for their ability to settle the stomach. This kit uses simple pantry staples and is ready for brewing as soon as the last dish is cleared. It is a very practical, caring gift that any tired holiday host will truly value and enjoy using. Simply layer your dried peppermint and ginger in a small glass jar for a beautiful rustic look. For a fresh and festive touch, tie a small, separate bag of fresh lemon slices to the outside of the jar with twine. Attach a tag that says, "A little comfort after the feast" as the finishing touch. This gift provides instant warmth and digestive ease for your host. It shows them that you were thinking about their well-being long after the dinner is over. It is a simple, effective, and beautifully natural way to show your appreciation for all their hard work. Our final hack focuses on the dinner table: gourmet herb garnishes and enhanced butter. This is the fastest way to elevate store-bought dinner rolls or add incredible visual flair to a serving platter. Fresh herbs bring vibrant color and aroma that make any holiday meal feel more professional and high-end. It is a last-minute miracle worker that takes under 5 minutes to prepare, but makes a massive difference in the final presentation. It is the perfect way to help a busy host cross one more thing off their list while adding a touch of elegance. To make the butter, mix finely chopped fresh rosemary, thyme, and chives into softened, unsalted butter. Roll it back into a log using parchment paper and tie the ends with twine. This instantly transforms simple dinner rolls into a gourmet treat. For the table, simply tuck beautiful sprigs of fresh rosemary and thyme around your serving platters. These small, herbal touches show an incredible attention to detail and make the entire holiday spread truly shine with very little effort. Your host will be so impressed with these fresh, aromatic additions to their Christmas feast. There you have it. 4 simple yet impactful herbal hacks to make your Christmas hosting or guesting completely stress-free this year. We've covered everything from festive ambience and elevated drinks to post-meal comfort and gourmet table garnishes. Each of these ideas is designed for last-minute assembly with maximum visual and culinary effect. These gifts prove that you really don't need a lot of time to give something meaningful and natural. They are the perfect way to share the joy of herbs and the spirit of the season with the people you care about most. Which of these herbal ideas are you excited to try this year? Let us know your favorites in the comments below. If you enjoy discovering new, easy ideas and tips for your herbal life, and if you found these simple hacks helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is hosting. Don't forget to subscribe to the Herbal Keys for even more natural living tips using herbs in the coming new year. Thank you so much for watching. I have been truly blessed with your continuous support for the channel. We wish you a very merry, stress-free, and wonderfully aromatic Christmas, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy holidays, and take care until next time.